Hello everyone, myself Nandhini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, KSA College of Arts and Science, Papaman, Tiruchengood. Today we are going to discuss about the subject Python Programming, Unit 1 and Unit 2 topics. History of Python. Python is a widely used general-purpose high-level programming language. It was initially designed by Giulio van Rossum in 1991 and developed by Python Software Foundations. It was mainly developed to emphasize code readability, and its syntax allows programmers to express concepts in fewer lines of code. Key features of Python: simple and readable syntax. Python syntax is clean and easy to understand, making it accessible for beginners and efficient for experienced developers. Interpreted language. Python executes code line by line, which aids its debugging and allows for interactive programming. Dynamically typed variable types are determined at runtime, eliminating and the need for explicit declarations. Object oriented supports object oriented programming paradigms including classes, inheritance, and polymorphism. Extensive standard library. Python comes with a rich set of modules and functions, often referred to the batteries include conveying area like regular expression, threading, and web development. Cross-platform capability. Python program can run on various operating systems without modification, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Open source. Python is freely available and supported by a large community, fostering and continuous improvement and support. Supports multiple programming paradigms. In addition to object-oriented programming, Python supports procedural and functional programming styles. Embedded and extensible. Python can be embedded with C and C++ programs and vice versa, allowing for flexible integration. Guide development support. Python offers libraries like Kinter, PyPython, and WX Python for developing graphical user interfaces. Python data types, 7 data types: numeric types, sequence type, mapping type, set type, boolean types, binary types, and non type. Python operators: arithmetic operator, comparison and relational operators, logical operator, assignment operator, bitwise operators, membership operators, and identity operators. Arrays. Arrays are used to store multi-values in single variable. Example: create an array containing a car names, cars equal to Ford, Volvo, and BMW. What is an array? An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at time. If you have a list of items, a list of cars name, for example, storing the cars in single variable could like this: car 1 equal to 4, car 2 equal to Volvo, and car 3 equal to BMW. Control statement. Python supports two type of loops: for loop and while loops. Alongside these loops, Python provides control statements like continue, break, and pause to manage the flow of the loops efficiently. For loop. A for loop in Python is used to iterate over a sequence such as a list, tuple, string, or range. Iterating over a list a equal to 1, 2, 3 for I in a print of I. The output is 1, 2, 3. While loops. A while loop in Python repeatedly executes a block of code as long as a given condition is true. Using while loop, count equal to 0 while count less than 5, print count. Count plus equal to 1, the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Thanks for watching.